Understanding the phrase, scream in despair. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very expressive phrase, scream in despair. This phrase is not only vivid in its imagery, but it also offers a fantastic example of how English can be used to convey strong emotions and situations. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Scream in despair is a phrase that combines two powerful words, scream and despair. Let's break down these words. Scream. This word is a verb that means to utter a loud, sharp, piercing cry. It's often used to express intense emotions like fear, pain, or anger. Despair. Despair is a noun that refers to the complete loss or absence of hope. It describes a feeling of being so downhearted and dejected that one sees no possibility of improvement or relief. When put together, to scream in despair means to cry out loudly due to feeling utterly hopeless or in a state of extreme distress. Now that we understand what the phrase means, let's see how it's used in real-life situations. 1. In literature, authors might use this phrase to describe a character who is experiencing extreme emotional turmoil or tragedy. Example: upon hearing the tragic news, she screamed in despair. 2. In everyday conversations, although it's a bit dramatic, you might hear this phrase used in day-to-day language to emphasize strong feelings of disappointment or sadness. Example: I screamed in despair when I realized I had missed the bus again. 3. In media and news, this phrase is also used in news reporting or documentaries to describe situations of intense sorrow or pain, often in serious or tragic circumstances. English is a rich language with many ways to express similar ideas. Here are some variations of scream in despair that you might encounter. Cry out in despair, wail in despair, howl in despair. Each of these variations slightly alters the meaning or intensity of the original phrase but retains the core idea of expressing profound hopelessness or sorrow. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, scream in despair. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and experiences. So, don't be afraid to use expressive phrases like this in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro at English in no time.